Shah welcomes you all back to another session of your English online classes. So, my dear students, today's class is going to be the second last class of lesson alphabets. Okay, how? Let me tell you how it's going to be the last class, because today we will complete the cursive small till Z. Yes, in last class we did till S, and today we will do another letter, that is T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So, with this we will finish our alphabets lesson and we'll do some more revisions in our next class. So before we, rather than wasting time, let's begin the class. Take out your textbook, your notebook, your pencils, wear your headphones and get ready for today's class. So my dear students, in previous class what we did? We practiced letter M to S, and I gave you the homework to write M to S 10 times in your notebook, right? And what were the letters? M, N, O, P, Q, R and S. So, in today's class, we will practice the further letters. I told you, in today's class, we will complete the alphabets, practicing alphabets. So, here we begin. So, we did A to S. Let's revise it. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S. Now, let's see further. T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. Okay, my dear students. So, there were total, earlier we did 19 letters, total 19 letters. Now, we will see the next, that is 20. Okay. So, what is next? T. So, for that we use all the 3 lines. We make L and then we make a line in the middle, like this. Okay. This is how we write T. Then comes the next letter U. See. This way, only using 2 lines, we will write U. Okay. Now the next letter, what is the next letter? V. So, this is the way, this is how we will write V. Okay, next W. See, we will make 2 times U and a round at the top. A loop we will make at the top. Okay, twist it. W. Then next X. This also between 2 lines, the second and third line. Okay. Now, second last letter, what is? Y. So, for this we are using the last 3 lines. Last 3 lines. Okay. Like this. We will make U and a line down. Y. And the last letter Z, and for Z also we will use the last 3 lines. Like this. Can you see, students? This is how we will write Z. So, with this we complete our letters practice in cursive small. What are they? T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay. Students, what will be the homework for you? As always, your homework is to write T to Z 10 times in your notebook. Okay. So, my dear students, I hope you completely understood how to write till T to Z in cursive small. Practice it as much as you can, practice it more and more, and as you know, you will be getting your homework for practice, right? So, for this, for your homework, what you have to do, you have to write these letters in cursive small 10 times in your notebook and practice it well. So, my dear students, with this we complete the chapter alphabets. We will be doing some more exercise questions of this chapter in our next class. So, my dear students, till then, take care, goodbye.